Trueseamoss sent me a bunch of their products, and let's start with this one. This is the gel, and it's the mango pineapple. I think this is like a really good intro one. You can take several tablespoons a day, or you can mix them into your smoothies. This is what it looks like, so you can see the consistency. I have it chilled. It's best chilled, but you could also have it shelf stable, and that's kind of what it looks like when it's out. Taste-wise, it's like nice. Like it kind of reminds me of like an applesauce, but thicker. Not a bad taste at all. This one is like a really good intro. Both my kids like this one. This one is the blue spirulina and raspberry, and it has real fruit used in it, so no artificial flavors or colors. This one is a little stronger of a taste, and spirulina can be good for your energy, your immunity, your gut health. So again, you can mix it into smoothies, you can just add it to snacks, or you can take it straight. This is the 5-in-1 blend. It has ashwagandha, black seed oil, ginger, vitamin C, and of course, wild sea moss. That's what it looks like. Kind of looks a lot like the mango pineapple. Taste on this one, you're really getting like, I think a little bit of that tropical fruit taste, a mango taste, which is great. Tastes nice. We also have our gummies. These are a big hit in our house. These are the elderberry ones. For adults, take 2 daily. Kids, take 1. This is what they look like. So they're just little tiny gummies, and they're so good. I think these are delicious. They taste like candy. So really good, especially cold and flu season. We always stock up on elderberry. Now the last one I have, these are the 10-in-1 blend, the Superfood gummies. Both kids and adults can take these. This is what they look like, kind of like little gumdrops. These are not my favorite taste. I'm being completely transparent. They taste like apple cider vinegar a little too much for my particular liking. However, my husband loves these. So he takes these, we keep them in the house for him. Definitely a lot of good options with the Trueseamoss brand, whether you want to go for the gels or the gummies or all of the above. I think you're going to find something that you can really add into your diet to give you those enhanced benefits.